So this is a quick search I did for a friend looking for the vinyl sleeves for his records. I just looked for LP sleeves, and it returns mostly what I'm looking for. And what I'm then going to figure out is how much I can get 50 for. He might want 100. There's definitely going to be lots with that in it, but 50 is where we're going to start. So the first one I see, if I add these up mentally, they're about 16, 17 bucks. There's another one, $17, $18, $10.22, $11.34 shipping. Keep going. That ended up being the winner for the 50 piece lot, and that's just having scrolled through a little bit more and playing around with the terminology gramophone. That's definitely a good point for dealing with AliExpress, is you got to kind of be creative on what your description might be, because the people who are writing these don't always have the same terminology for things as you do. So in this case, there's 50 pieces in this lot, and so it's $14.62 with free shipping. Yay! So there you go. Not much to those. I could show you other things, like here's some of the reviews. In this case, I'm not surprised by the packaging concerns or comments. They're seriously just going to fold them and stuff them in a bag. So that's what you're getting. This doesn't look like it's a store dedicated entirely to record supplies based on some of the suggested items below, but it does give you an idea of some other things you could poke around with if you wanted to add something else to your cart from that specific shop.